looking shiny.
Oh, see, this grinder doesn't even, if I wanted to, I can buzz that one right now.
Oh, yeah. We don't want to
It's
scare
my
you.
leg.
Take it easy on her.
Let's see where she looks. Stop it down here.
How does it get in the grooves? I don't understand how it gets in the grooves.
What do you mean?
Well, there's notches in that
No,
thing.
it's not cutting the grooves. It's doing the outer edge of it to make it sharp.
Oh, alright. I don't...
It's gotta go down a ways.
Yeah, it's still got to go more because you're not hitting this one.
Yeah, not even.
Yeah.
This works, Lyle.
Well, if it don't, it's not the end of the world.
It's pretty sharp, man.
They don't cut.
Who get the job done?
Yeah, you can certainly get a little shine there now.
So, one revolution on this is 6,000s.
Well, not much.
Well, that's what it is. Well, you know, you consider grinding on a big night, you know.
Oh,
You're
yeah,
not getting that
yeah.
because you got grinding wheel wear.
If you want to get too carried away.
Well, you got grinding wheel wear, so it's not true 6,000s. But when I put a dial indicator on here, raise it and lower it, it's 6,000s. See, when I built this, everything is, the reason it works is when I do my homework.
I remember when you
all the
built it.
blueprints.
I watched this
I
thing.
was measuring out wide open how fast it would go. All the blueprints.
Keep going and figure it out. Another 6,000s.
That don't work. You should almost put it on a relief grind. Yeah.
We'll see how sharp it is.
You can see the wear though. It almost look like optic illusion.
Yeah. Well, he told me that the knife might be bad. It was. But still.
Yeah. The one is just starting to shave off the outside one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think just. Well, actually, that'd be nice tonight. Hopefully that works good.
After a little bit, I'll run down the lake and get it fired up and we'll see what it cuts like. It's in front of the headlights, you know.
Because I think it should be square on the outside shoulder of this cutting edge.
Oh, yeah.
Right now it's around it.
Right. I'm sure it's probably the original price, I guess.
Yeah, probably.
His wife bought him a new auger for Christmas and he said he had no use for it. He sold it.